Welcome back. This video will show you how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 10. I'll also show you how to make it your default browser towards the end of the video. This tutorial should be very easy to follow, and to start you want to go to the link in the description or search www.google.com/Chrome in Microsoft Edge or whichever browser you are currently using. When you get to the site, click on the blue Download Chrome button. You'll then be prompted with a window. It's up to you if you want to check the box to send usage data to Google. Click Accept and Install, and depending on the browser you are currently using, you may have to click Save or Run. Click on Run if you can to begin the download. You will then need to click Yes on the User Account Control screen. Chrome will now install and then load up automatically, and it's as simple as that. To now set it as your default browser, you first need to go to Settings. You can get there by clicking on the Settings icon in the Start menu. In Settings, click on Apps and then Default Apps from the options on the left side. In the Default Apps section, find where it says Web Browser and click on the current default. Next, just click on Chrome and that's it. Chrome is now fully installed and set as your default browser. If the video helped, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.